Get acquainted with the 2015 INFINITI QX50. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a spacious and luxurious QX50. This premium SUV wows and delights with a serenely quiet, exquisitely appointed cabin, driver assist safety features, and smooth, powerful performance. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, fog lamps, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, universal garage door opener, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. Show the world your style in this exquisitely designed QX50. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.